Welcome to the QuickStart series, where we show you how to set up and configure your VOLO access control system. In this video, we will be looking at adding and removing tokens, or marking them as lost or found, in a few simple steps. Let's get started. Select the customer the user belongs to. Navigate to the user's menu option in the top bar. Find the user. You can use the search option in the top right corner if you have a great number of users. Then click on the details icon of the user. Here, you can add new tokens that belong to this user by clicking the Add button. Select the interface type and enter the token number. Click Save and the token is now added. You can also remove a token by clicking the bin icon next to it. This is where you can also mark a token as lost or found. Click the green triangle to mark a token lost. Click Yes to acknowledge that this token will no longer have access to the doors. Click OK to close the pop-up window. Alternatively, click View Commands, and this will open the Customer Commands view in a new tab, where you can monitor when the action has been executed. If a lost token has been found, come back here and click the Now Amber triangle to reactivate it. Click Yes, and then click OK. The token will now have access to the same doors as before. That's it. Your tokens are now either added or removed, or marked as lost or found. Watch out for future videos on how to add users and tokens in bulk. If you need any further information, you can visit our wiki. Please find the link in the description, or contact CIE. Thank you for choosing VOLO.